Hey, my friends. Welcome back to Daily English Zone. I'm Zoe, and I'm so happy you are here today. In this podcast, I will speak slowly. I will use simple words. And I will repeat ideas to help you understand everything. This episode is all about something many learners ask me. How can I sound more natural in English? How can I speak like a native speaker? Maybe you have asked these questions yourself. It is a good question because sounding natural helps you feel confident and relaxed. But here is something important to know. Speaking like a native does not mean using big, difficult words all the time. Speaking very fast. Losing your own voice and personality. Speaking like a native means something simpler. Using real, everyday phrases. Using contractions. Speaking naturally and calmly. Using simple expressions that people really say. In this episode, I will teach you short, real English phrases you can use today. How to pronounce them naturally. How to practice them with shadowing. And how to feel comfortable speaking English. So, let's get started. If you enjoy this podcast, please like this video and subscribe to Daily English Zone. Part 1. What does sound like a native really mean? Let's start with a question. What does it mean to speak like a native? Many people think it means using perfect grammar, speaking with no mistakes, sounding exactly like someone from America, Britain, or Australia. But the truth is, native speakers make mistakes too. They use simple words. They often start and stop sentences. They speak in short, relaxed phrases. So the real goal is sounding natural, not perfect. Think about it this way. When you speak your own language, you don't always use long sentences. You don't always use perfect grammar. You use short, simple expressions. You speak with feeling. You sometimes pause. English is the same. When you hear native speakers, listen for this. They use contractions. They connect words. They use short phrases. They have a natural rhythm. Today, we will practice all of these things together. Part 2. Using contractions. The first habit of natural English is using contractions. A contraction is when we join two words together. I am, I'm. You are, you're. She is, she's. They are, they're. We are, we're. Native speakers almost always use contractions in daily conversation. Listen to this example. Without contraction, I am very tired today. With contraction, I'm very tired today. Which sounds more natural? Yes, I'm very tired today. Here are more examples. I am happy, I'm happy. She is my friend, she's my friend. We are ready, we're ready. You are right, you're right. When you practice speaking, try to use contractions. It makes your English smoother and more relaxed. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. You're doing great. You're doing great. She's coming soon. She's coming soon. Excellent. If you like this kind of practice, subscribe to Daily English Zone for more. Part 3. Short natural phrases. Now, let's talk about short natural phrases. These are very common in real life. You will hear them in movies, in shops, at work, and with friends. Here are 12 powerful phrases you can start using today. Sounds good. This means, I agree. That plan is fine with me. Example. Let's meet at 5. Sounds good. Repeat. Sounds good. Sounds good. No way. This means, really? I can't believe it. Example. I won the lottery. No way. Repeat. No way. No way. I'm in. This means, I want to join. Example. We're going to the beach. I'm in. Repeat. I'm in. I'm in. Hang on. This means, wait a moment. Example. Hang on, I'll check. Repeat. Hang on. Hang on. All set. This means, I'm ready. Everything is prepared. Example. Are you ready? All set. Repeat. All set. All set. Got it. This means, I understand. Example. Please email me the details. Got it. Repeat. Got it. Got it. Will do. This means, I will do that. Example. Please send me the file. Will do. Repeat. Will do. Will do. I'm out. This means, I'm leaving or I'm not joining. Example. Are you playing cards? No, I'm out. Repeat. I'm out. I'm out. My bad. This means, that was my mistake. Example. Sorry, I forgot to call. My bad. Repeat. My bad. My bad. Fair enough. This means, that makes sense. Example. I can't come. I have work. Fair enough. Repeat. Fair enough. Fair enough. No worries. This means, it's okay. Don't worry. Example. Sorry I'm late. No worries. Repeat. No worries. No worries. You nailed it. This means, you did it perfectly. Example. Wow, your presentation was great. Thanks, you nailed it. Repeat. You nailed it. You nailed it. These phrases are simple, but they are used every day. Using them will help you sound natural and confident. Part 4. Pronunciation and Rhythm. Now, let's talk about pronunciation and rhythm. In English, some words are strong and stressed. Other words are soft and quick. This makes English sound like music. Listen to this sentence. I don't want to go there. The stressed words are don't and go. Say it with me. I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. Try to notice the strong and soft parts. You don't have to be perfect. Just listen and feel the rhythm. With practice, your speech will sound smoother. Tip: listen to native speakers. Repeat what you hear. Over time, you will feel the natural rhythm. Part 5. Connected speech. Native speakers connect words when they talk fast. This is called connected speech. For example, what do you think? Sounds like. What do you think? I'm going to go now. Sounds like. I'm gonna go now. Did you eat? Sounds like. Did ya eat? You don't have to speak this way immediately, but you should recognize it when you hear it. And when you feel ready, you can try it. Repeat with me. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go now. What do you think? What do you think? Great job. Part 6. Everyday expressions. Here are 5 more expressions you will hear all the time. It's up to you. Meaning, you decide. I'll catch you later. Meaning, see you later. That's not my thing. Meaning, I don't like it. Fingers crossed. Meaning, I hope it goes well. You nailed it. Meaning, you did it perfectly. Repeat them. It's up to you. I'll catch you later. That's not my thing. Fingers crossed. You nailed it. Perfect. If you like this, subscribe to Daily English Zone. Part 7. Real-life situations and example sentences. Now, let's see how you can use these phrases in real situations. I will give you examples you can practice and use today. At a store. I'm just looking, thanks. I'm just looking, thanks. How much is this? How much is this? Do you have this in medium? Do you have this in medium? At a cafe. Can I get a coffee to go? Can I get a coffee to go? I'll have a latte, please. I'll have a latte, please. That's all, thanks. That's all, thanks. On the phone. Can I call you back? Can I call you back? Sorry, bad connection. Sorry, bad connection. Let me put you on speaker. Let me put you on speaker. With friends. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. I'm in. I'm in. Let's do it. Let's do it. At work. I'll send it by email. I'll send it by email. Can we talk later? Can we talk later? Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. These are small, simple sentences, but they are very powerful. They make your English feel natural and confident. Tip: write them down. Practice them out loud. Repeat them every day. Soon they will feel automatic. Part 8. Shadowing practice. Now, let's do shadowing practice together. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. Remember, listen. Pause if you need. Repeat out loud. Let's go. I'm learning English every day. I'm learning English every day. I feel more confident now. I feel more confident now. I can speak without translating. I can speak without translating. Small steps make big changes. Small steps make big changes. I'm proud of my progress. I'm proud of my progress. I understand more every week. I understand more every week. English is part of my life. English is part of my life. I am getting better every day. I am getting better every day. Excellent work. You are not just listening. You are training your brain to think and speak in English. If you like this practice, subscribe to Daily English Zone for more videos. Part 9. Positive Affirmations. Let's finish with positive affirmations. These sentences help you feel strong and motivated. Repeat after me. I am learning English step by step. I am learning English step by step. I am patient with myself. I am patient with myself. I believe in my progress. I believe in my progress. English feels easier every day. English feels easier every day. I am proud of my effort. I am proud of my effort. I will keep practicing. I will keep practicing. I am not afraid to speak English. I am not afraid to speak English. I trust myself. I trust myself. I am becoming fluent. I am becoming fluent. Well done, my friend. These small sentences help you stay positive and motivated. Part 10. Final Tips and Encouragement. Here is my final message for you today. You don't have to be perfect. You don't need big, difficult words. You don't have to speak fast. Real English is simple. Real English is human. Use small phrases. Use contractions. Use expressions with feeling. Use your voice. If you practice every day, you will feel a big difference. Remember, small steps make big changes. Listen to this episode again. Repeat the phrases. Write them in a notebook. Use them in real life. When you go to a cafe, when you talk to a friend, or when you watch a movie, notice the real English. Listen for the rhythm. Listen for the contractions. Listen for the expressions. And little by little, you will start to use them yourself. You will feel comfortable. You will feel proud. You will sound natural. I am so proud of you for being here today and practicing with me. Thank you for spending your time with me. Remember, you are not alone. I'm Zoe, and this is Daily English Zone. Keep listening. Not. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. I will see you in the next episode. Bye for now, and I love you all.